Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Guess what we get to do? Remember the beans? Well, we're going to check on them. We're going to see how they look, and we're going to plant them today. So get your beans, and let's open them up and see what happened. Oh, look. They all got big and fat. This one, though, looks like, I don't know if you can see it, it's growing a little bit. See that? So we're going to plant these, okay? What you're going to need is you're going to need your beans, water, some containers to plant your beans in, and I put some sandwich baggies over these because they have holes at the bottom. So when you pour water in it, the water will get inside the bag. I have them in a box here. And if I were to take this out of the plastic bag and then water them, it would get my box all wet. And boxes are very mushy when they get wet. We don't want that. So I put them in a plastic bag. Or you can put them in whatever you think you can put them in. Okay? And you also need some soil, which I have right here. Some soil. It's in a big bag, but there's soil in there. So, I'm going to take my soil and I am going to put some in these containers. And just fill up your containers so the roots have room to grow. There we go, nice and full. Okay, now you are going to take your beans. I have 2 bags here with 3 beans in each. 3 and 3 make 6. Okay, so we have 6 beans total. So I'm going to put 2 beans in each pot. Okay. Carefully open up the beans, and you're going to take 1 bean and you're going to plant it here in your container. I don't know if you can see. Just make a little hole, drop it in there. Okay. We're going to make another hole and drop it in there. Okay. You got your beans in there. Then you got your other one here. Make a hole, put it in your second pot. Okay. and just cover it with dirt. Okay, open up. Ooh, look at these, boys and girls. These ones seem to be doing much better. Let's look at these. I got stuff on my hands. So this one, I don't know if you can see it, but see that little part right there? It's starting to grow a little tail. And out of that tail, it's going to grow up a big stem. It's going to be neat. So we're going to plant this one right next to the other one that we just planted in this same pot. We're going to fill it with dirt, okay? And then this one's even bigger. That one's growing pretty good. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, so we're going to plant that one in our third pot and cover it. And then this one doesn't really have a tail, but we can still plant it and we can cover it and just make sure it gets lots of water and sunlight. They need sunlight. Those are the most important things that you can give your plants, is sunlight and water. They need lots of water and some sunlight. That's what helps them grow. That's what feeds them. Okay? Now that that's all done, we're going to water them. Just like that. Make sure you give them water every day. And make sure they get a little bit of sun every day too. Okay? Not too much sun. Just a little bit. Maybe a couple hours in the sun. Alright? And I want you to watch these throughout the summer. They're going to grow big. Just like in our book. Remember the beans in our book? And it grew a big stem, and then leaves, and then bean pods. That's what these are going to do. So I want you to try this at home. And just observe them every single day. And see what happens. Okay? Well, I miss you very much. And I hope one day we can see each other again. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.